Hi everyone, welcome back to the Nails channel. I'm Steffi Fernandez, and in today's video we'll be doing another abstract background hack using a jelly stamper and pigments. Let's get cracking. Okie dokie, so I've got my nail buffed over here, but I'm going to set it to the side because I'm going to be using a stamper for today's hack. Now I wanted to create a really cool kind of background that's got splatter on it, but I wanted it to be neon. I did not want to paint it. So I was thinking about just scattering some pigment on the stamper. So I'm going to go ahead basically and just apply a few colors that I want to use for this design. I love this orange. You want to be nice and clean over here. I'm going to put some tissue underneath. So I'm going to take a little bit of this pigment with my shading brush, and I'm just going to kind of chuck it away like on top of the kind of just randomly, and I'm going to try and get some of the excess off as well. So I'm doing that, and I'm going to layer a few colors on top of the stamper before we transfer this onto the nail. I think it's going to look
I bet.
So we've got this. I'm going to go in with probably green. What do you think?
Yeah,
Should
yeah,
we go for green? So I'm just going to wipe off some of that pigment and pick up a little bit of green. And splatter it as well. Oh my god, that looks so satisfying. I love it.
Yeah.
You want to kind of have different sizes as well, so it doesn't look too, placed. So I've got that. What next, Lucy? What color do you reckon? Yellow.
Yeah, yellow.
Sunny
Sunny yellow. You weren't even going to let me choose then.
I was like, yellow. Okay, so I've got yellow here. I'm going to just wipe off the excess, pick up some yellow. Boom. Oh, that looks cool. Oh my god, I love it so much. Okay, so we've got that. I think that's enough yellow for now. Should we go for another color? And I'll let you choose this one, Lucy. I'll let you choose this one.
Let's do a pink.
A pink. Fine.
You think of pink, Steffi.
All right, fine. But it's quite similar. Let me take the lighter pink, I think, if we have one. Do we have a lighter pink? Not as light as I want it to be. I think it's very similar to the orange that we got earlier on.
Yeah.
But it's okay. I thought you'd choose like green, blue or something. Okay, so boom. That has ruined my art. Way too much pink over there.
That was a lot of pigment.
That was a lot of pigment. It's all right. It's all right. I think it looks good still. Okay. Speaking to Nail, firing you today. Nah, just kidding. Just kidding. Right, so we've got all the pigment laid on here. I'm gonna take my stamper and try and just tap some of the excess off, because I don't know what's going to happen once I lay it on the nail. So, right, I've got my nail now ready. So I'm going to take that and just apply, for the sake of this video, because I want to see all the pigments on top, etc. I'm just going to apply Snow White. So I'm going to do 2 layers. Look at my hands, still dirty. Right, okay, anyway. 2 thin layers of this gorgeous white all over the nail. Okay, so I've got both layers cued over here. We've already got a tacky layer on, so I don't really think we need any foil glue. But I'm going to go ahead and just slap on whatever we've done on this stamper, on the nail, and see if we can create a beautiful, cool background. Ready? Look at that.
No?
That looks really cool. I
I like that. It looks like it's been splattered on. Like
I
paint.
won't lie, there's way too much pink for my liking.
That's my
But
fault.
look, I'm gonna add a little bit of green and yellow over certain areas just to cover that pink. And that's quite cool. I really like it. Okay. Okay. Should we try another nail to see how it goes?
Yeah. Wow.
So I'm gonna leave this here. This time I think I'll make a little bit more space in between nails. So, right, okay. I'm going to also add a sticker. I don't want the nail to be too sad, right? So I'm gonna just add a sticker on top of this background. What do you reckon? I chose a snake.
I like snakes.
Ooh.
Oh no.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Let me just press it on here. There we go. That's what I want. I don't want it to be super straight. Well, I did, but it didn't work. So I'm gonna just pat it on that nail. How cute is that? You can do something so easy. Just put a sticker on and the background looks so complex. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
Stunning. So I'm gonna do that before we top coat it. I thought it would look nice, just to add something so the nail is not too plain. And I might as well make use of our stickers.
It's really cool.
That looks really nice. But let's see how the other nail. Well, I've prepped the other nail off camera. It's now ready and dry. So I'm going to basically add this little thing on it, but this time I've just had a bit more space, like, because I feel like it was too much on the last one, too busy. There we go. What do you think about this one?
Yeah, it's a little bit less going on, but it still looks good. What did she say? She said, and it just fell off. I think I'm jinxing everything.
You
today.
jinx everything. Loose what you like.
I know.
Right, okay. So, well, we've got it sorted, no problem. We've got the second version, which I think I probably like it better when it's less busy, but I would prefer more colors. Do you know what I mean? So, yeah. Wow, okay. Let me try and top coat these two for you guys. And there you have it, guys, the final result. Let me say one thing. So when I was top coating this one, I forgot to tap the excess of the nail, so it smudged the pigment. So it's once you've kind of stamped the pigments on, just tap the excess off and then top coat it, because otherwise it's going to smudge it. But I do still like the smudged effect. It does look really good. I mean, I even prefer it more because it kind of gives it a bit more of a different texture rather than just the dots. But yeah, and this is the nail number one that we've done with a sticker. This one did not smudge at all and it looks so cool. I really like it. I don't know.
I think they're mint.
I think they're really
cool.
They are mint. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching this. Lately, I am obsessed with stamping hacks. So if there's anything that you'd like me to do or any stamping hacks that you want to watch on our channel, comment below and I'll try and create a tutorial for that as well. But yeah, thank you so much for watching. Love you all, guys. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe and hit that notification bell, and we'll see you all on the next one. Take care.